Good morning, ma'am. So this is my report about animal feed production and technology. So napili kong feedstuff are corn and molasses. Next, name of feed and feedstuff. So first, corn and molasses. So the corn is the yellow one or ito pong concentrates, and yung molasses is yung nasa galon po ng tubig, yung ganyan po, yung kulay itim. So, type of feed. So, first, yung corn, siya is concentrate. Siya, hindi po siya belong sa ibang feedstuff. Siya po ay napapabilang lamang sa concentrates. And next is the molasses. Ang molasses is part po siya ng supplements na binibigay po natin sa ating mga animals. So, ingredients and composition. Corn primarily carbohydrates, some protein and fiber. So yung corn is mataas po siya sa carbohydrates, and commonly ginagamit po siya sa feed formulations or yung pag-compose po, pag bubuo po ng feeds. So yung molasses, it is sugars, mainly sucrose, minerals, and some vitamins. So yung molasses is hinahalo din siya sa pag-formulate ng feeds, but in a small amount lang po siya ginagamit. Kasi yung molasses is supplement lang. Hindi siya yung hindi po siya kailangan ng in large amounts. So next is the preparation process. So in corn, harvested, dried, and processed or ground, cracked, or rolled. So sa pag-prepare po ng corn is commonly after harvest, pinatutuyo, and dun po siya ginagamitan po ng iba't ibang process like yung pagdurog, yung paggiling, lahat po ng process para sa corn nandyan. Yung molasses, it is a byproduct of sugar production from sugar cane or sugar beets. So commonly we all know naman po na yung molasses came from sugar canes. Siya po yung byproduct po ng sugar cane. Nutritional content and function. In corn, it is energy source for animals. So itong corn is primarily ginagamit po siya para sa energy ng mga animals, para mabigyan po ng energy yung mga animals. So yung molasses, it provides energy, enhances palatability, and binds feed particle. So para sa molasses, it also provide energy, enhance palatability. When it's say palatability, magkaroon ng gana yung animals na kumain, or maging appetizing naman yung feeds na ibinibigay natin sa kanila. And also, yung molasses is ginagamit din po para mag-binders, or pwede siyang gamiting binders sa ating mga feedstuff. Target animals and usage. Sa corn, widely used for livestock, especially the cattle, swine, and poultry, as an energy source. And molasses, used for cattle, horses, and other livestock to improve feed intake and as a binder. So, yung dalawang feedstuff na napili ko is commonly ginagamit po talaga siya sa ating livestock para naman mabigay yung kailangan po nilang supplement and energy na sa kanilang paglaki. Advantages and limitation. In corn, high energy content readily available may be deficient in certain amino acid. So, ang limitation naman po ng corn is pag sobrang dami po ng corn na binibigay, hindi na po natatanggap ng animals yung iba pa niyang kailangang nutrients, and nagre-rely na lang tayo sa corn. And next is yung molasses. It improves palatability, reduces dustiness, but it is high sugar, may cause digestive upset if overfed. So, alam po natin na ang sobra is nakakasama, and yung molasses, hindi po siya talaga dapat hindi siya nire-recommend na maraming molasses ang ipakain sa animals, dahil nga po sa pwedeng mag-cause ito ng digestive upset. So, ito po ulit yung picture ng corn and molasses. So, for the reference, we have Feedpedia and thank you po.